Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 5500. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you determine which processor is the right choice for your computing needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-12900K stands out with its hybrid architecture, featuring 16 cores and a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.2 GHz. This makes it an excellent choice for gaming and demanding workloads, allowing for seamless multitasking. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5500, with its 6 cores and 4.2 GHz boost clock, offers solid performance for general use and gaming, but it cannot match the i9-12900K in high-intensity scenarios. Thus, if you're looking for top-tier performance, the i9-12900K is the clear winner. Price is another significant factor to consider. The Intel Core i9-12900K comes with a hefty price tag of $707, which reflects its high-end performance capabilities. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is priced at just $159, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. If you're looking for value for money, the Ryzen 5500 offers a compelling choice without sacrificing too much performance for everyday tasks. Lastly, let's discuss integrated graphics. The Intel Core i9-12900K features integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics, allowing users to run applications and games without a dedicated graphics card. This can be particularly useful for those who may not want to invest in a separate GPU. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 5500 does not come with integrated graphics, necessitating the purchase of a discrete graphics card for any graphical tasks. This is an important consideration for users who may not want to invest in additional hardware. In conclusion, the Intel Core i9-12900K is a powerhouse processor ideal for gamers and professionals seeking top performance, while the AMD Ryzen 5500 provides excellent value for those on a budget. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.